Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ACB. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like a few weeks worth of time, it's actually just the past 2 days, both Friday and then today, Monday, broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis on Friday, so that is where the green and red line annotations are coming from. But after today's price movement, definitely some updates here need to be done. First thing I'm going to do is just a little house cleaning and go ahead and get rid of these levels here. Sure, those lines pertain, they're just not relevant, and from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing confusion because there's lines all over the place. So let's try to keep this as clean as possible. The first update, though, that does need to be made comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken, or excuse me, when levels of support are broken and close below, they tend to act as resistance. So in the near term, if there is any sort of stabilization and the price starts to turn itself back around, 735 going to be that initial key hurdle that the price would have to clear up above. From more so an overarching point of view, keep an eye on the purple line up there, the 50-period simple moving average. That'll be, like I said, the overarching level. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, that line will move itself further and further downwards. But as of right now, top priority is not even really necessarily breaking this level of resistance. It's just trying to stabilize out and get some, sideways price action. At this point, sideways price movement is just as healthy as any sort of upwards price movement. Maybe you're saying, geez, that's setting the bar kind of low. Yeah, and it kind of is setting the bar low. But like I said, given the history of things right now in terms of the prices dropping and dropping and dropping, yeah, sideways price action just as good as upwards price movement. What about potential areas of support as the week continues to play out? So I realize the chart is getting hard to see here. In fact, let's just go to the daily time frame since it's getting hard to see from this point of view. So daily time frame just means each one of these represents an entire day's worth of time, which is the traditional time, time frame you would see. So next overall level of support to keep an eye out for going into the week is right here at the $7 mark. You can see that was a low from right here, basically on March 4th. So like I said, been a long time since the price has been down this low. So 705, next level of support, where the price very well could be headed down to, or just call it right around 7. But right around 705 to 7, next key level of support. So overall, though, the bearish movement continues, and we'll see if the bulls can try to stabilize things out. But as of right now, it's just picking up right from where it left off last week. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.